Hey there, awesome kids and curious minds. Welcome to Humpty Dumpty Kids Learning, where we mix the magic of learning with a whole lot of fun. Today we're diving into the world of geography quiz for young learners, and I promise it's going to be a blast.
What is the capital of the United States? A. Washington, D.C. B. New York. C. Los Angeles. D. Chicago. The answer is A. Washington, D.C. What is the capital of France? A. London. B. Paris. C. Rome. D. Madrid. The right answer is B. Paris. What is the capital of Japan? A. Tokyo. B. Beijing. C. Seoul. D. Bangkok. The right answer is A. Tokyo. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Brisbane. D. Canberra. The right answer is D. Canberra. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Vancouver. C. Ottawa. D. Montreal. The right answer is C. Ottawa.
Guess what? Once you've watched this video a couple of times, you can take a break from staring at the screen. Just listen to the audio and keep the learning fun going while giving your eyes a little rest.
What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Bangalore. D. Chennai. The right answer is B. New Delhi. What is the capital of Brazil? A. Sao Paulo. B. Rio de Janeiro. C. Brasília. D. Salvador. The right answer is C. Brasilia. What is the capital of China? A. Shanghai. B. Beijing. C. Hong Kong. D. Guangzhou. The right answer is B. Beijing. What is the capital of Russia? A. Moscow. B. St. Petersburg. C. Kiev. D. Warsaw. The right answer is A. Moscow. What is the capital of Mexico? A. Cancun. B. Mexico City. C. Tijuana. D. Guadalajara. The right answer is B. Mexico City.
Guess what, awesome pals? This video is like a rainbow for everyone. If you see things a bit differently, we've used super cool colors and clear stuff, so it's easy peasy. And for friends who can't see with their eyes, we added special audio, so you can listen and learn, just like magic.
What is the capital of South Africa? A. Johannesburg. B. Pretoria. C. Cape Town. D. Durban. The right answer is B. Pretoria. What is the capital of Italy? A. Milan. B. Rome. C. Florence. D. Venice. The right answer is B. Rome. What is the capital of Spain? A. Barcelona. B. Seville. C. Valencia. D. Madrid. The right answer is D. Madrid. What is the capital of Egypt? A. Alexandria. B. Luxor. C. Cairo. D. Aswan. The right answer is C. Cairo. What is the capital of Argentina? A. Buenos Aires. B. Cordoba. C. Rosario. D. Mendoza. The right answer is A. Buenos Aires.
Did you know? Get ready for an exciting journey in this video. We've spiced things up with engaging visuals, animations, and a real-world map on the left that pops up with every question. Interactive arrows and markers make spotting countries and capitals a breeze. Plus, we've kept it simple and clear with language tailored for our awesome young learners.
What is the capital of Germany? A. Munich. B. Berlin. C. Frankfurt. D. Hamburg. The right answer is B. Berlin. What is the capital of Greece? A. Athens. B. Thessaloniki. C. Crete. D. Rhodes. The right answer is A. Athens. What is the capital of Turkey? A. Istanbul. B. Ankara. C. Izmir. D. Antalya. The right answer is B. Ankara. What is the capital of Afghanistan? A. Kabul. B. Kandahar. C. Herat. D. Mazar-e-Sharif. The right answer is A. Kabul. What is the capital of Austria? A. Salzburg. B. Vienna. C. Graz. D. Innsbruck. The right answer is B. Vienna.
Did you know? Feeling the need for speed, or maybe taking it slow and steady? In this video, you're in control. Use the playback speed options to make it faster or slower, so you can learn at your own perfect pace. Adjust, explore, and make it just right for you.
What is the capital of Bangladesh? A. Khulna. B. Rajshahi. C. Chittagong. D. Dhaka. The right answer is D. Dhaka. What is the capital of Colombia? A. Bogota. B. Medellín. C. Cali. D. Barranquilla. The right answer is A. Bogota. What is the capital of United Kingdom? A. Birmingham. B. Edinburgh. C. London. D. Manchester. The right answer is C, London. What is the capital of South Korea? A. Seoul. B. Busan. C. Incheon. D. Daegu. The right answer is A. Seoul. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? A. Jeddah. B. Medina. C. Riyadh. D. Mecca. The right answer is C. Riyadh.
Hey there! Did you know that your comments, questions, likes, and shares are like magic spells that make our videos even more awesome? Your feedback helps us understand what you love, and it's like having a superpower to make our channel better, just for you. So keep chatting, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and learning.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.